Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today's just gonna be a ride at the house, and we got Aiden. He's on the 250 right now, but he's on the 250 four-wheeler. He's gonna be riding his 250 bike. But then Jaren's on his 110. I'm on this 280 of my uncle's. So I sold my bike. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna ride this one. But I hope you guys will hear me over this bike because it's insanely loud. But yeah, I'll try and talk during the video, so just enjoy. So this bike is very loud. Shifted into neutral there. It's first. Wish we had a longer road. She'd go faster. But I'm scared to death doing wheelies on this bike. I can do one on my brother's bike though. This bike is pretty fun if you know how to ride it. I'm gonna jump that hill real quick. Throw out of the way. Jared! Woo! That one's a little bit of a fail. Normally I've been getting it, but let's try it again. There we go, that was better. You got it that time. What are you doing? Nothing? You're just eating? Nasty hog. Just wanted to, huh? You gonna get back on that thing? Huh. This thing's pretty fun to jump. Is everyone gonna ride or just me? You guys gonna ride?
Yeah, I'm gonna find it out there.
Oh. Dean, you gotta go faster over that, bud. Or let me go in front, one of the two. I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but I posted it. Posted it a few days ago. while we were in the mountains. And then I just posted one last night that I filmed on my phone about getting my bow ready for hunting season, or bow season I mean. So, and my dad is actually leaving Wednesday, leaving Wednesday to go hunting with my Uncle Winston, and sadly I'm not gonna go. My dad got an elk call and my dad hasn't mastered it yet, but I have, and I wish I could go with him. But oh, dang it, nosedived on that one again. You get it, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. I don't know if other people are gonna ride. I guess they're trying to fix that hill for Jaren's little pitter, I guess. There we go. Just gotta punch it. Just gotta punch it to get it, but I don't know. Spike is pretty fun. You gonna ride? Whoa. This thing coasts in first gear. I did it again. I'll get it eventually. Well, I get it every now and then. There we go. That's Dad right there. I don't know what to talk about. There's not a lot to talk about.
the? Look,
Of course I do. Holy, those things are low.
Tristan. Boom.
Those things are low.
Tristan.
You can shoot those in the AR.
Boom, boom, boom.
If I get an AR, I'm gonna do a video on, we should do a video on shooting gophers with ARs.
Run, Tristan.
Whee!
Thanks, buddy, for your bike. Thanks, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna go ride.
Here, you can have your bike back and I can have my bike.
You guys come with. That gum.
Actually,
I got school tomorrow. Dang it. I sold my white dirt bike to a Jaron over there in the green, and when the funny thing is when I sold it to him, everything just started breaking on it. So now he's selling it and probably gonna get a CRF 150F. But I don't know. Probably have to shut her down in a little bit because it's getting. Dang it. It's a pretty fun bike. Everyone done riding?
no.
I said it's almost 2 feet tall, you know? And
Oh,
he goes, you don't have land mats? I said, yeah.
there we go. We're getting it. Tell me if you guys, let me know down in the comment section below if you guys like me doing these videos. I wish I could do more, but I have school and I might apply at Shields here soon, maybe. I don't know. It depends if I can get a job out there. And then my cousin, he goes to a weightlifting place out there called like something Fuel out there, and he says it's like really good, I guess. And I don't know. I'm gonna try and do some hunting videos if I can ever go. But who knows if we can even go sometime. I got a Cal elk tag for bow. I got my bow sighted in at 20 yards, and it's close to 40. It's close to 40 yards, but like I'm hitting the target, but it's not hitting dead center. And I was kind of sighting it in when there was a bunch of wind. So I mean, it doesn't help that there's wind, obviously, with the arrows, but I don't know. If no one else is gonna come ride, I might just close her down and stuff. It's getting dark and everything. No one's coming. I can still see, but hey! Let's go, Edie! Come on! And I don't know. Oh.
Tell me and Mom that you're Harley's favorite.
I never said that.
Yeah, you do.
I said he listens to me.
Yeah, but you said he's your favorite.
Alright, well, I don't remember, but anyways.
That's what Mom said anyways.
Oh, well, Mom doesn't know what she's talking about.
Damn it. Don't feel the greatest, he said. Then you tell me I can't even growl. I said, man, you're a prick. Said you're pulling on my tail and pulling on it and hurting me. You know, you said,
Dad.
and said you can't even, I can't even tell you it hurts, damn it.
Dad,
Shut my mouth, it said.
I wish
Yeah.
I was going with you hunting so I could record the hunt, but Dad, you gonna practice your call?
Not right now. I don't even know. I probably won't be ready.
I don't know. You just gotta like, it's hard because you want to go like the and then you want to after like do like a second of that and then go into a blow and give it more pressure, and then you get like that high pitch elk.
You know what's really cool to watch this
Hmm.
is the elk in the, like when the sun's coming up and the sun's right there in the bugle.
Mhm.
Lift their head back and
Where's my bear tag? Take that with
coming out in the mouth.
All three. So you can bring a rifle, Dad.
They go put that pump in. They have a bear running around out there.
Oh yeah.
What kind?
Big black bear in the corn.
Yeah.
He said it was running around yesterday. I saw it yesterday, so I better take it with me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my gun with me.
6'5".
Yep.
Too bad your 25
Oh, we need-
6 wasn't working.
We need to.
Get mine.
I need to. Where are those other silencers at?
They're in the safe.
Safe. I need to.
You need to cut one.
I need to go.
Or-
drill a hole for that.
Yeah, drill it.
General deer license.
They're on the top shelf in the
Tim,
What's up,
gun
Be
room.
a big old spotlight.
where out here?
Yeah.
Like a floodlight.
Black bear.
Lights up the whole driveway.
Yeah. You need one that shines like out here.
I thought about actually putting in a post out here.
All three of them are together. Your bear, your elk, and then your deer.
Yeah.
Mom's gonna have to.
I don't know, I might close out the video right here, guys. Everyone's kind of winding down, so I I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hudson, want to say something? What's up? Jaron, you want to say something? Jaron's gonna start his bike, so I might close the video out right here, and we will catch you guys on the next one.